Привет.
Hello everybody, this is SECUREMME
4x4.
4x4 and a set for opening.
И набор для открытия. Фреза.
A cutter with a handle,
Импрессия.
an impression with two handles,
Правой и левой.
right and left,
Крючок
a
манипулятор.
hook manipulator and a pin.
И штырек. Сначала фрезу.
First insert the cutter and turn it left or right, it doesn't matter.
После этого
After that you can insert the tool.
рукоятку предварительно.
The handle must first be calibrated so that
Крайние
the extreme marks,
крайне это и крайне
this extreme one and this extreme one, coincide with the hook,
крючком.
with the first and last pin.
Замок имеет ложники.
The lock has false grooves, it gets into these false ones, and with the help of this mark and the hook we simply feel and lower each pin. The lever that we were looking for by feeling it is clamped, accordingly we lower the pin by 2 mm. Even if we do not hear a click, nevertheless, the lock very quickly gets into the anti-picking. It can smoothly go there. There will not necessarily be a click. We hold the tool taut and feel. These locks are very readable, so we feel and look for the one that is clamped. Here it is, squeezed. 2 millimeters, approximately 2 millimeters. We press 2-3 times and keep feeling again. The last one is squeezed. We lower it approximately 2 millimeters. We press several times and feel again. Here it is, the third one, squeezed. We lower. Lower it approximately 2 millimeters. The lock is open. After opening the first turn, the remaining 3 can be left unopened. The pattern will match, it just needs to be changed. Right, left, right, left. Mirror. So here is such a set. It was made specifically for SECUREMME 4x4, but this tool matches many other locks. These are SECUREMME 4x4, MOTTURA 4x4, KALE 4x4, and FUARO 4x4, and multi-lock 4x4, and something else. In general, there are about 6 locks that this tool matches in size and opens them successfully. But the set was originally made specifically for SECUREMME because there are difficulties in bypassing false grooves. The price of the tool you can find on our website.